I've been interested in the law since I was a very young child, and I took a rather non-traditional path to get there. I actually worked in business for several years before going back and going to law school. I've been practicing law now for almost 10 years, and I've had my own firm for a little more than 5. We're not a high-volume firm. The core principles that we're built on are hard work and good customer service. In my office, I don't have to pay the bills for the $1 million television ads. We focus on giving quality service to our clients. We have a close relationship with our clients, and we deliver before, during, and after the case. I feel that one of the biggest things we bring to the table is that we sit and we talk and we get to know our clients. Unlike many firms, you can't become a client of my firm without sitting down and talking to me. And I think that sets the stage for the entire relationship we have for the entire case. You can't succeed in court without having just a complete knowledge of your case. You have to be intimately familiar with every medical record, with every fact about the accident, with every fact about your client, their family, their lives, their jobs, every single component. And that can't be gleaned from just a quick read of the file the night before trial. This takes months of preparation, months of getting to know your cases, your clients, their families, and the law. I think 2 things are critically important. One is, what level of access will you have to the attorney? And number 2 is the level of experience they bring to the table. In the first instance, many firms in town almost insulate the attorneys from the client, and it should be exactly the opposite. You should be able to call up and discuss your issues with the attorney on any given day at any time. Experience is something that money can't buy. It can only be gained by being in the trenches and by handling these cases over and over and over. So it's important that the attorney that you hire, it's not the first time they've handled that type of case. It needs to be the focus of their practice. They need to have relationships in place that enable you to get the care that you need and to truly know how to handle these cases from start to finish. There's no substitute for knowledge about the medicine. And it's not just knowledge of what the medical records say, but sitting down with the doctors and gaining an understanding of how they applied the medical knowledge to what was going on with our clients. If you're in an accident where you've sustained injuries, it's critical that you contact the attorney earlier rather than later. In the first several days or early weeks after an accident has occurred, many things are lost. Oftentimes the property damage claim has been settled and the vehicles are gone. It's important that we document everything that you're going through. Photographs of the scene, photographs of the vehicles, photographs of the bruises and the injuries that my clients sustain often. Those go away after some weeks and are never obtainable down the road. You should understand that the nice insurance adjuster on the other line is not working for you. The insurance adjuster is representing the guy that ran into you. And so their interests are uniquely focused towards minimizing the claims and diminishing the value of any damages. In the early stages of accident investigation, many times an adjuster will have less than a complete set of information about the facts surrounding an accident, about the extent of the damage both to the occupants of the cars and to the cars themselves. And without a complete set of the facts, it's just impossible to make good decisions about an auto accident. So I always advise my clients that doing things hastily in the beginning of a case will always cost you more in the end. In this day and age, you better believe that insurance companies track attorneys in the community. They know the attorneys that are out there, they know the ones that do a good job, and you better believe that those attorneys get higher values on their settlements and cases than those that do not. We're focused on providing the best service to our clients. We don't have any desire in being the biggest law firm in town. What my clients want are prompt service, knowledge about the accident and how to get better, and how to resolve their case the most efficient way and at the greatest value possible.